think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I had to make some tea. I thought today would be cool to do like a chill style video. So welcome to my living room. I don't think I've ever really filmed a video here for this channel before, but if you guys keep up with me on the vlogs, then this is definitely familiar to you guys. But you can let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about it. But today, as you saw from the title, your girl is back with an Apple related video. I haven't really done one since like my hacks video, which those are also my favorites to do. So if you guys want some more, or what's on my iPhone with my new baby, then you can let me know in the comments. But I was at the Apple store at the Grove for about maybe 2 hours. I mean, it was a long wait just because the whole process of activating, and then I recycled my old phone there. So I did want to film some like comparisons with it, because if you guys are like me and you don't really like to upgrade your phone every single year that the iPhone comes out, like honestly, one, they're so expensive. Two, I don't really ever feel like the upgrade is big of a difference for me to switch from my current phone to the next one. But it was such a big gap for me. I was coming from a 6S Plus, so everything about this phone is completely different, and I don't even really know how to work it. I have to get lost in the process and just figure my way through all of the settings and all of the cool like tricks that it has to offer. So I'm gonna stop rambling and do a proper unboxing with you guys. Now, I did take off the like plastic because I did have the guy activate it for me. I had a ton of questions that I needed him to answer before I left the store, so I knew how to work the phone to like the basic, you know what I mean? Like I needed to know how to like answer the phone and use my maps and all that good stuff. But this is the packaging of it. I went with the 64GB, and the model I got, which is such a long name, is the iPhone XS Max? XS Max Plus. Is there a plus in the name? Excuse my nails. Woo! So excited for this one. So first things first, we have the little pouch of papers that nobody really cares about. Do we ever really open this up? I don't know. Every Apple product,
15 restaurants. Tap the one you're looking for.
Every Apple product comes with the decals, which I personally don't use them, documents, and they also include this little gadget here, which you can use to open up the door to insert a SIM card when you try to pretend like you didn't already turn your phone on. So you wait for it to turn black. There we go. All right, so this is the phone that I went with. I asked you guys on a poll on my Insta stories, what color should I do? Of course, they were sold out of the silver. The phone did just come out on Friday. Today is Monday, so I really only had two options. It was either the gold or this one, which is the space gray. And I'll tell you why I picked the space gray over the gold iPhone. Excuse all of the fingerprints. Yes, that's my mom. She's the only one that ever texts me. So your girl decided to go with the space gray, which in my opinion is a nice soft black. I feel like the names of the colors are very inaccurate. When I saw gold, I was like, yes, like online it looks so dope, but in person, if you guys will see in the inserts that I have here, it looks like a rose gold. Like, it's too pink of a gold for me. It doesn't look true gold in my opinion. I know a lot of people freaking love it. Me, not so much. So I've never had a black iPhone before. I've had, of course, the silver previously, and then I've had a gold iPhone as well. So let's go ahead and take off this beautiful plastic, and we can finally use the phone the way that it's intended to be used. And I can go over the basics, which, oh my god, ASMR. I'm so ready for this. Oh. It comes off like butter. I did not get any screen protectors. I'm very gentle on my phones. I did purchase a case, which I'll show you guys in a second. So if you guys are like me, like I mentioned, and you were coming from a 6 like plus or like a 6 iPhone, there's going to be a lot of differences here. First of all, you don't have the headphone jack. So in the box they actually include your charging cable, which I really want to get and invest in one that charges very quickly. I find that my iPhone charges so slow, and I think it's because of this USB brick. So I can get one off of Amazon. I'll leave a good one down below. In the box they also include some headphones. Now I'm really upset about this. I'm sure a lot of other people are as well, because they give you the traditional headphones with the adapter. That's my SIM card that just flew out, so I'll have to keep that in a safe place. But they have the adapter that's made to go in the port of the phone. Now, why the heck wouldn't they send you or gift you, not even gift you, you're paying over $1,000 for a phone. Why not include the AirPods in the mix, especially if that's one of your newer products that I feel like should be an essential to an Apple product? So I'm a little upset about that. Like, is it even worth the investment to buy $160 AirPods on top of a new phone? Like, it's just so silly to me. So that's the one negative about this. I feel like they definitely should include the AirPods as a standard in your box, and of course you get the charging cable for your USB. So that's everything in the box. Super simple, nothing crazy or wild. And like I did mention, you're not going to have a headphone jack, so that's going to be something to get used to. You're going to have to buy that converter, which I did not get. Like, how am I gonna work out in the gym? I hate the Apple earbuds. Like, for me, they just don't fit in my ears, but I digress. Also, the biggest difference that you guys will notice if you're jumping from a 6 like myself is there's no home button. That's the biggest thing. You know, you can't really unlock your phone with your thumb anymore. It's all face recognition, which I personally haven't set up yet. I literally just opened this for you guys and downloaded my iCloud and did the basics. And obviously, you're gonna have a much higher quality camera on this, which was the most important thing for me. I thought it would be worth actually upgrading this time around. Although my phone was in perfect condition, I got the highest amount back that I could to recycle it, so that's great. But the camera, I think, is definitely something that is worth getting this device, as well as the actual screen size. Now, I did a comparison in the shop so you guys could see what the 6 looked like in comparison to the XS Max, and it's pretty much the same size phone, but what you're getting is a 6.5 inch phone, but what you're getting is a much larger screen, which in my opinion is amazing. It's flawless, it's clean, it's sexy, it's sleek, especially with this black color. And I love my wallpaper. It looks even better on the larger screen. It just like fills everything out. Also, what I love about it is you can wake the phone up by touching it anywhere. You don't have to use that home button. But what I don't really like is how it says like your carrier, like mine says Verizon, and then it's like mushed up in the corner. I don't know, that's kind of weird to me. That's kind of weird, but like I can get over it. So that's the overview of my iPhone, and I'm so excited. Oh, one more thing that I have to say that I love, which the X probably is like this, but like I said, I've skipped all of those other models, is it doesn't have any like text underneath it. It just says iPhone. Very clean, very crisp, and then you have the Apple logo. So I'll give you guys a close-up on that. I just love how there's no extra wording, no numbers or markings, just very sleek. Like, I almost don't want to put a case on it because it looks so nice. I also don't know if I want to put a pop socket on here. Is it worth it? I definitely think it is, especially if you haven't upgraded in a while, or if you're looking for something fun. Maybe you have an Android and you want to switch over to Apple because you think this will be popping. I think that's a great idea. Not to knock Androids down. I used to have an Android in middle school and it was pretty lit, you know. I had a full-blown keyboard. Definitely am an iPhone girl at heart, and I definitely think this is worth upgrading. I don't know if it'd be worth getting if you already have the iPhone X. Probably not much of a difference. But all in all, I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to play around with it and take pictures. The actual front-facing camera is insane. Like, it's almost too good. Like, too good. Like, you can see your pores. Like, you can see all up in your face. So you might want to face tune a little bit, you know. If you guys do enjoy, make sure you guys join the doll gang by clicking the subscribe button down below and clicking the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. Also, throw up the thumbs up if you guys enjoy content like this, and if you would like to see a what's on my iPhone, how I edit my Instagram videos, and any sort of like tech related stuff, I think would be really fun to share because I don't really do them that often, and hacks as well. Those are my favorites. So I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.